Hi Andre, congratulations on the win. What do you think was the difference today? You talked about the bonus cards, but how did you feel playing Thomas? Because previously, the one match you did play, he ended up getting the win.
I think that it was a good match, and Thomas as well. He played many good rallies, going for the shot with the backhand, with the forehand. And in my opinion, yeah, today decides the bonus cards because I won all of them and he didn't win not even one. So if it will be different, will be different result.
Yeah, it's a very unique format here at UTS. If you had to pick one rule from the UTS rules and use it on the tour, which one would you pick?
I would pick probably one serve, but I don't know, maybe later I will regret about it because also my serve is a little weapon. I win a lot of free games because of my serve, but I would like to try with one serve also the tennis to see, because then it's about the skills of the game, who have better game.
Thank you.